Dinosaur fighting each other. There's a fancy car here. Wow. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Truck. Hi everyone.
Claire in a race car. Just her size. Look at that, eh? You don't. See you later.
1951. 1956.
Get in here.
I already won. It's a trophy. 1954.
I can see why it won trophies. I can see why.
Oh, how about this one?
This is 1957.
Yeah.
Wagon.
Excuse me. $32.
Suicide doors.
Oh wow.
Hey?
Yeah. 1928.
If
a
you're
nice
going
car.
to go in a funeral, you're going to go out, you might go out with something like this.
Oh my God, look at this, eh? Corvette.
Yeah, very hard to ride. 57, yeah, feels like a 57. What year is that? 1957.
It's very shiny. Eh?
Very nice.
62, the year you were born.
62, but they got 57 fins on it.
Oh. Oh my God. Here. Stone Baker.
Yeah. These are rare cars.
Yeah, it's a rare one. Lots of people. Passing there, all right?
Goes to the floor, this is chef.
Oh, this is Chef.
I got trucks like that.
1969. Look at this van.
One guy here.
For sale.
Oh, I like this one. Colorful one. I like the color. Look at this one here. 1947.
Yeah, the other one in the apartment guys going to be for sale.
1964. Ford Fairlane.
Car like this was a hard top, two-door hard top. That's the 64. I had 65 exactly like that, but only hard top. Here, same car, hard top. Same